Yo, what's good, Grundy gang? It's Grundy back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys some Halloween costume ideas for men, because I feel like every time I go to search that, it's a bunch of corny outfits. So we doing a fly version today. So if you would like to be fashionable at Halloween instead of just putting on a costume, this is the video for you. So make sure you guys go down, smash the like button. We need to get this joint to like 1,000 likes. Let me get a quick 1,000 from y'all, bro. So do that. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Follow the boy on Instagram at Grundy. You already know the vibes. But we gonna go ahead and get into the video, man. Let's get it. Cracking it off with one of the most simple costumes out of all of them, and it's the everyday look for Danny Phantom. Now, pretty much all you need for this is a white and red ringer tee, some blue pants, and some red shoes. Super simple. This right here is the real Danny Phantom look, you feel me? So you know he changes outfits when he goes ghost, so I had to black this joint out. Before the top, I got the GMBA sweater. Bottoms, I got the minimal wax jeans. And then for the shoes, of course, I got the white Rick boots. This costume idea I feel like was super simple, but I decided to go with the cartoon character Arthur. Pretty much all you need is some really good color blocking with this one. So I got the Supreme sweater, the white collar shirt under, jeans are from Fences, and then I got the Puma suedes. I ain't gonna lie, this is my favorite costume out of all of them, but I ended up going with Leonardo from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and I didn't think that this outfit would come together as well as it did, but I feel like the glasses added a perfect touch, because I was like, how am I gonna have a bandana on with this fit and still make it look good? But came together perfectly. This one here is a fan favorite, and it was the first outfit I came up with, but I feel like it was the easiest, so I ended up going with Freddy Krueger from Nightmare on Elm Street, and it's pretty self-explanatory with this one, so I don't really gotta say much. But instantly when I thought about fashionable costume ideas, I thought about when Balenciaga did the runaway show with the Simpsons. So I had to copy the boy Homer's look with this one, and I feel like it was super easy because I had the jacket already, but this is that. I don't know if y'all remember this show or not, but Hey Arnold used to randomly come on Nickelodeon, so I looked up his character and I never realized how wild his outfit was, so I definitely had to make that one. Probably the most random of them all, because I didn't used to watch the show like that, but I went ahead and made Grimm from Billy and Mandy, so definitely wanted to make a dark and mysterious type of cartoon character, and this came up. Outfit we got Miles Morales. Now I feel like this is the most street and modern outfit out of any of the characters, so definitely tried to duplicate it. Didn't have the Jordan ones, but we made it work. Alright, so I ain't gonna lie to you, this was low-key a fun video to make. I might make more videos like this to where I'm dressing up or using inspo as other characters or people or something like that, but I tried to make these outfits to where if you have normal clothes in your closet, or if you just have something that is less costume-like, I feel like these are some last-minute outfit ideas that you can use for Halloween. So let me know down in the comments which was your favorite outfit. I think my favorite outfit low-key was the Ninja Turtle joint. I ain't gonna lie, like I didn't think that I would be able to pull that off the way that I did, but I think it was fire. But let me know down in the comments which was your favorite outfit, and like the video, of course. Subscribe if you're new, and I will be back to you guys with more videos, man. Peace.